Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application, then scroll down to the lock screen and wallpaper, tap here to wallpaper section, allow, and here we will see all of the default wallpapers which you could use. The live one on the right upper corner, when you tap you'll see all of your photos previously taken on the device camera or downloaded from the internet. You could also use them. I'll use one from the default wallpapers, so just click to apply button and tap set to lock screen. We could see that this wallpaper has applied successfully, so let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So also we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpapers icon, and by the same way select one from the default wallpapers. Okay, and by this way we'll just change the home screen wallpaper. But if you click here to these three dots, you will launch the same wallpapers setting. So tap set to apply and tap set as lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.